Suppose you create a terrain in Unity and start adding textures. The first terrain texture looks completely fine. But when you add a second texture, suddenly the terrain turns black.
Brother, what's that?
So here is how to fix it. Go to Edit, Project Setting, Quality, then find the Texture Settings. Look for Global Mipmap Limit. If it is set to a lower resolution, change it to full resolution. Now go back to your terrain, remove the problematic terrain texture and apply it again. The texture should now display correctly instead of appearing black. So why does this happen? Unity can reduce the resolution of textures globally to save memory and improve performance. In some situations, especially with terrain textures, this can cause a texture to be displayed incorrectly and appear completely black. Full resolution does use more texture memory, so it's not always the best setting for optimization. However, if lowering global mipmap limit causes your terrain textures to turn black, keep it at full resolution. You can optimize the terrain later using other methods such as reducing the resolution of individual textures or controlling texture sizes. Bye!